In just single click, complete floor plan. In just one click, detailed, accurate elevation. In just single click, complete section detail. In this video, I will show you how you can use AutoCAD YQPRIME plugin that will let you speed up your work 20x faster. If you are a student, you are wasting time in learning floor plan, taking offset trimming. Avoid that process. Install YQPRIME plugin in AutoCAD and start saving time and learn advanced tools. We will make plan, elevation, section in just one click. Re-download the YQPRIME plugin, then reinstall again in case you already downloaded. This YQPRIME plugin we have here, okay? Let this plan, elevation, section setting, auto floor plan. You can type FLP also, okay? So you will get one detailed dialog box. Floor plan generator. This DCL is everything. You must have to keep everything as it is, as required, okay? So the floor plan we will create, that is fixed geometry, okay? It is like one fixed identical order. Kitchen size, bedroom size, hall, common bathroom and attached bathroom. Parameters you can keep here. This floor plan we will extract in centimeter and just click here. See, you are getting complete floor plan in just one time. This identical shape you can adjust in parameters. This complete plan including everything, dimension, hatch, door, window, wall, we are getting in just one click. You can re-download YQPRIME plugin for the upgraded version and just check out this powerful tool that make floor plan in just one time. Okay, for this floor plan we will extract elevation. Let this plan elevation section, auto elevation, you can type ELV also, okay. Detailed dialog box you will get here, ground floor only. So we need ground floor only, okay. These details like input parameters, slabs, hatches as you required. If you face any issue, just adjust your hatch pattern scale, okay. Like we keep scale for wall, window, door for hatch pattern. And you can change hatch color, your line color and your projection color also, okay. Generate elevation. Now what you have to do, just select your door, window, end-to-end wall, and if you have projection, then projection line. This is very important to understand. Layer must be separate, okay? And click here to get your accurate detailed elevation in just one time. Door detect from door layer, window from window layer. So that must be separate unique layer, okay? Otherwise it will not work. So you are getting front side elevation accurate with 100% precision. There is no single error, okay? Same as it is, we will take section, okay? For that we will take section line, okay? Let this section line, okay? First point, end point and section direction. And now, let this here, plan elevation sections and let this here auto section. You can type SEC also, okay. Building configuration, we need ground floor only. Structural setup, details component, line color, hatches, scale, providing color for line type, hatches, you can customize perfectly from here. Parapet height, we will keep 170 because in elevation we are getting 170. Dimension scale, level scale. Okay. What you have to do, you have to select vertical and horizontal line. When you click over the door, it will ask you single panel or dual panel. Vertical line, no problem. Select like this. Again, it must be separate perfect layer for door, window, wall projection. Enter and select your text. Then enter again and click here to get your accurate perfect section. As you see here, as per our elevation height, section also. So this way you can extract your section detail, elevation detail, and you can make this fixed geometry floor plan in just one click. You can make using YQPRIME plugin very fast. You can install YQPRIME plugin just by drag and drop. If you are a student, you are wasting time in learning floor plan taking offset trimming. Avoid that process. Install YQPRIME plugin in AutoCAD and start saving time and learn advanced tools. So, I hope you got this video helpful. Re-download the YQPRIME plugin, then reinstall again in case you already downloaded. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.